first time that we go to the PantryGHost house at night and try to capture the image ourselves.
Inside the house. Still 12:35. I gotta be done. What are we going upstairs for? Let's wait. It's 12:35. What are you doing, man? It's 12:35. Dude. Still a big shot just in case. She's late. It's probably for a minute. Let's get it. Okay, let's go to the house. Wait, let me back it up here. Ready to go. I was just kidding, dude. It's like 12:33. I'm just kidding. We should. Dude, let me hold one, dude. It's brighter. Adjust it. Sure, you can keep one on the pantry.
The door is closed, right?
Let's go through the house. Keep it up. Keep the door open, dude. Keep it open when we go upstairs. Is that how it works? Upstairs. No ghost at 12:34. You chilling here? We should leave out the front. Alright, or do you want to move the way? Anyone up here?
Chris, where'd you go? Did you open the pantry? Did you just open the pantry? Did you open it? I heard the pop.
You want to go check it out?
Let's go check it out.
I think the ghost opens the pantry, dude. There's food in there, though. No way.
Oh my god, I heard it. I fucking told you. Oh my god.
That's gnarly, dude.
I fucking heard
Dude, you didn't open it?
Out of here.
That's pretty nice.
Oh my god, I fucking told you I heard it. I fucking told you I heard it.
Dude, that's cool. I'm going back in.
Chris, no, I'm out of here, Monas. Let's go. I'm out of here.
Do you want to lock it, though?
Did you open it up? Did you fucking,
Nah.
did you not hear it? Did you not fucking?
I heard it opened, yeah.
I'm fucking shaking
That's
up the
pretty
motherfucker right
gnarly.
now, dude. Holy shit. You didn't open it? I told you.
That's pretty gnarly, it
Get
opened.
out of here.
Dude, we should lock the door.
Leave it
Yeah.
open.
Let me go back. No, but
No, shh. Let's just go.
we should lock this door though.
We can't lock that door.
Oh, you
Back
can't.
in here.
Oh yeah.
Come on, I'm out of here.
Dude, let me go in. That's crazy though. That door did open.